Welcome to a deep dive into the heart of your engine's fuel delivery system, the fuel injection system. Today, we're dissecting this critical component, understanding its intricacies, and most importantly, equipping you with the knowledge to diagnose common issues plaguing your injectors, fuel rail, and pressure regulator. A healthy fuel system is the cornerstone of engine performance and efficiency, so let's get started. At its core, a fuel injection system precisely delivers fuel into the engine's combustion chambers. It's a complex dance involving several key players: the fuel pump, fuel filter, the fuel rail, the injectors themselves, and the crucial fuel pressure regulator. Each component must work in harmony to ensure optimal air-fuel mixtures for efficient combustion. Ignoring the subtle signs of fuel system problems can lead to significant engine issues, from poor fuel economy and reduced power to difficult starting or even catastrophic engine damage. Common symptoms like misfires, rough idle, hesitation, or a check engine light often point directly to issues within this system. Understanding these symptoms is your first step towards accurate diagnosis. Let's begin our deep dive with the fuel injectors. These electrically operated valves are responsible for atomizing and spraying fuel directly into the intake manifold or combustion chamber, depending on whether your vehicle uses port or direct injection. Their precise timing and spray pattern are vital for efficient combustion and emissions control. Fuel injectors are prone to several common issues. They can become clogged over time due to fuel contaminants or deposits, leading to a restricted or poor spray pattern. They can also leak, causing excessive fuel delivery, or fail electrically, resulting in no fuel delivery at all. Each of these failures manifests with distinct symptoms. Diagnosing injector issues often involves a multi-pronged approach. A simple stethoscope can sometimes reveal a lack of clicking sound from a non-firing injector. Scan tools can show misfire counts and fuel trim data. For more precise diagnosis, a leak-down test can identify leaking injectors, while professional flow testing can determine if they're clogged or have an incorrect spray pattern. Next up is the fuel rail. This component acts as a reservoir, distributing pressurized fuel equally to all the fuel injectors. It maintains a consistent volume and pressure of fuel available to each injector, ensuring uniform fuel delivery across all cylinders. Any inconsistency here can throw off the entire system. Common issues with the fuel rail itself are less frequent but can include leaks from the rail or its connections, which are typically visible and accompanied by a strong fuel odor. In rare cases, internal blockages, though highly unlikely given the fuel filter, could theoretically impact fuel distribution, but pressure problems are more often tied to the regulator. Diagnosing fuel rail issues primarily involves visual inspection for leaks. For pressure consistency, you typically connect a fuel pressure gauge to the service port on the rail. This gauge will provide critical readings that help assess the overall health of the fuel delivery system and pinpoint if the pressure arriving at the rail is correct. The fuel pressure regulator is arguably one of the most critical components in maintaining a healthy fuel system. Its job is to control the fuel pressure within the fuel rail, ensuring it remains within the manufacturer's specified range. Most modern vehicles utilize either a vacuum reference regulator or an electronically controlled one. Problems with the fuel pressure regulator can lead to either excessively high or dangerously low fuel pressure. A common failure is a ruptured diaphragm in vacuum reference regulators, which can draw fuel into the vacuum line. Other issues include internal blockages or a stuck valve, preventing it from properly regulating pressure. Diagnosing a faulty fuel pressure regulator typically starts with the fuel pressure gauge. Readings that are consistently too high or too low, especially when compared to specifications at idle and under load, strongly suggest a regulator problem. For vacuum reference types, disconnecting and plugging the vacuum line, or checking for fuel in the vacuum line, can be diagnostic. It's crucial to understand that these components don't operate in isolation. A failing fuel pump can cause low-pressure readings at the rail, which might initially be mistaken for a pressure regulator issue. Similarly, clogged injectors can cause misfires that could be attributed to ignition problems if not properly diagnosed. A modern scan tool is an invaluable asset for diagnosing fuel injection problems. It allows you to monitor live data, such as fuel pressure sensor readings, fuel trim values, and oxygen sensor data. These parameters can provide crucial insights into how the engine's computer is attempting to compensate for fuel delivery issues, helping you narrow down the fault. When working on your fuel system, safety is paramount. Always relieve fuel pressure before disconnecting any lines. Have a fire extinguisher handy and work in a well-ventilated area. Basic tools you'll need include a fuel pressure gauge, a multimeter, a scan tool, and appropriate wrenches and sockets for your vehicle. Mastering the diagnosis of fuel injection system issues is a rewarding skill for any DIY mechanic or technician. By systematically checking the injectors, fuel rail, and pressure regulator, and understanding their interdependencies, you can accurately pinpoint problems and restore your engine to optimal performance and efficiency. Remember, when in doubt, consult a professional.